Good morning guys. Hope you guys are fine. So today guys, we are dealing with Uk49 both Betway and the original UK. Just be careful with that. So you can play these numbers in Betway, you can play these numbers in UK, because now we are having two draws from UK and then the other one from Betway. So yeah guys, this is what it is. Guys, I did change my phone number in case, because of some problems, so you guys, another thing that I want to mention, please, if anyone inboxes you and they tell you that they've got numbers, they are selling them, don't entertain. Block and don't entertain, please. We don't want people, the scammers, there are so much, especially on Facebook. So it is very important for you to know, at least you guys know my voice. If ever someone pretends to be me and then it's not me, just request the voice note first. If it's Lotto Analyst, you can see it's Lotto Analyst. If it's Lolo Genius, you know it's Lolo Genius, because people, they are trying to use our names out there to do their own stuff. So please guys, whenever you inbox us, you must know that at least hear the voice note, the voice from the person, you know that, oh, this is Lotto Analyst, this is Lolo Genius, or things like that. I'm just trying to clear this up because people are being confused out there. Okay, no one knows the numbers, guys. That is why I am here for you in here in YouTube, to teach you on how you guys can do the numbers. You understand? So please, I'm begging you guys, don't ever entertain anyone who comes to you and say they've got numbers, 4 numbers, 5 numbers. No one knows Lotto. We only doing predictions. You understand? Yes. So I changed the number for WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number was, the old one is no longer working, so never text me there. The new one is this one. You see, this is the number that is new for WhatsApp, but I'll just leave it in the first comment, because there's some people who lost my number and then they can't be able to get in touch with me. So this is the number, guys. It's 067-853-9426. This is the number for the Lotto Analyst, not any other number that texts you and say, hey, I'm Lotto Analyst. No, people, they do that. You understand? We need to be on point and clear with you guys. Our only mission here, why we predict, is to teach you and give you tips and strategies on how to break the codes and on how to understand things like that. It's not like we are having numbers. We don't know numbers. No one knows the numbers, as I'm trying to emphasize that. So what I did myself, whatever strategy you see me posting on YouTube, is something that I sat down, started it, and so you know what, let me write a book. So I do have different books: Focus Lotto, Mega Million, Powerball, Uk49, so that you guys can download, can get that book and start practicing at your own time, learning the codes, stuff. There's a lot, happening with the numbers. So yeah, this is the number. Just take a screenshot if you want to text me, and then we talk from there. Thank you. So let's start to do the predictions. The first code is 136. Sorry about that. So 136, it means we've got a 13, we've got a 16, we've got a 36. Then once you've done that, spin the numbers: 31, 19, 39. It does happen, these numbers have to be spinned. And then there's a number that is going to come here on the other side, because here is all about adding and subtracting. 1 plus 36 is 37. 1 minus that is 35. 13 plus 6, that should be a 19. That is already down. 13 minus 6 is a 7. You see this code, how it is standing. It can have all the numbers it cannot have maybe all the 7 numbers, but maybe 4 or 3 numbers will come from this code. The first one that I just showed you guys. okay, cool. So let us move to the next code. The next code is 125. Okay, can you see that code? So code 125, because it's got a 12, it's got a 5, it's got a 15, and then you spin 21. 5 cannot spin, it's just a 5. Then 15 is a 15. Then now we add and subtract. If you add, 1 plus 25 is 26, which is a 29. 1 minus that is 24. And then you say 12 plus 5 is a 17. 12 minus 5 should be a 7. So 7 is a very good number today. It's a very good number. If it doesn't come on lunch, it must come on tea. Just be careful with that. And then when you are done here, what you do again, you come down to the last chord. The last chord is 3 6 5 4. So 3 6 5 4. First thing, before you do anything, you have to spin this chord. See 39 45, because you see it says 36 54, which is, now you can see there's a 36, there's a 39, okay, 36 is a 39, there's a 45 or 45 like this, and then there's a 34, which is also a 43, then there's a 35 as well. So I've seen 35 twice. It can be good. Now maybe this number can come to the bonus side, 35. So when you're done doing your 35, you go down again, same chord, you don't change, 36 54. So this is what you do. You add 3 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4. So what you're going to get there, you're going to get an 18. I normally like to put numbers like 18. It can be 18, can be 35 on the bonuses, just in case we don't know, guys. But here I put some singlets for you guys, so that whenever you are doing your predictions, don't get lost. Play around with what you see there. You see there's a number like 27. There's a number like 16, we already mentioned. There's a 36, there's a 13, there's a 46 as well. Because the 46 comes from here, from this chord. Actually, let me see. This chord is actually impressing me with something. Because here, if I can see, I can say 36, which is 39. I can say 35. I can say 45 as well. I can say 46. And then I can say 43. Like that. 43. Now the chord is giving me different numbers. Do you see? Relevant to what we spoke about earlier on the first two chords. So it is very, very important for you to notice that. It is very important for you guys to notice that. Yeah, so guys, for those of you, we need to get those books. I haven't actually, let me see, there are 2 books only on the website. The other ones, I haven't put them on the website. So yeah, that number for WhatsApp, I left there. It's my new number. So you guys, you can get in touch with me on that number if you need any assistance. Actually, I'm going to leave it on the first comment, because I see people are struggling. Hey coach, how can I get hold of you? Then the rest we're going to discuss. Yeah, but you guys are going to boom. Let us give ourselves a hope, and then we're going to be fine. Thank you very much.